Hazrat Ali mentioned about grave as ضع فخرك واحتد كبرك واذكر قبرك. Let go out pride, eliminate arrogance, and remember grave. A person asked Hazrat Ali, what is difficult and what is more difficult? He replied, it is difficult to descend into the grave and it is harder to descend without deeds. According to Surah Abasa, ayat number 21, Summa amatahu fa akbarahu. Then he called him to die and brought him to the grave. According to Surah Ashura, ayat number 87, Wala tukhzini yawma yub'asun. And don't disgrace me on the day they are all resurrected. Zawirul Qabura fa innaha tazkurukumul akhira. Visit the graves because it causes remembrance of the hereafter. Read this at the grave. Assalamu alaikum ya ahlal qaburi yaghfirullahu lana wa lakum wa antum salafuna wa nahnu bil asr. O people of graves, may Allah forgive you and us. You have gone before us and we are following you. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam explained the reason about a person for the torment of his grave as innahu kana khulquhu ma'a ahlihi su'un, that he was ill-mannered with his family. Bury your dead among the righteous. According to Hadith Qudusi, so on the day you die, your family won't keep your body even for a day. Rather, he would be buried in the ground as soon as possible.
तू ही मेरी मौला मेरी